In this question, there are functions fx and gx given, and we have to find a certain area alpha, okay? And based on the given information, right? The function fx is given, gx is given as well, and the area that we have to find out is for this limit of x and the limit of y, that it should be from 0 to whichever is minimum of fx and gx, okay? So the best way here would be to make the graph of the function gx first, okay? So if I try to make the graph of the function gx like this, now for x less than 3 by 4, mod of x less than 3 by 4, that is in between minus 3 by 4 to 3 by 4, the gx function is going to be this, right? And here also, if x is positive, it is going to be something else. So if x is positive, okay, that means this region here for x positive, the function gx is going to be 2, 1 minus mod of x is going to be x only. So that is 4x by 3, okay? So that is equal to 2 minus 8x by 3, right? So this is going to be the function gx for this region here. And if I make the graph of that one, for x is equal to 0, that is going to be 2 here. And then it is going to be, the slope is negative. So it should come like this here, okay? Similarly, on the left hand side, for x minus 3 by 4, for this region here, x negative, okay? For x negative, this function here is going to be gx is equal to 2 times mod of x is negative x. So that is going to be 1 plus 4x by 3. So this is 2 plus 8x by 3. That means for x minus 3 by 4 to 0, the gx function is going to be this. This has a positive slope and the graph will look like this, okay? And beyond 3 by 4, the value of gx is 0. So it is like this. And this way also, this is 0. So if I make the graph of gx in one color, this is going to be this black one, okay? 0 until negative 3 by 4, then like this, and like this after that, okay? The black line here is representing the function gx, okay? Right. Now let's plot the function fx. Fx is simply a parabola, x square plus 5 upon 12. That is going to be this parabola here, right? This parabola here, with this point being 0, 5 upon 12, okay? Now I have to find the area. The mod of x is less than 3 by 4. That is, x has to be in between minus 3 by 4 to 3 by 4, okay? And the y value is above 0. It is positive, but below minimum of fx or gx. Black one is the fx and this one is the gx line, okay? So whichever is below, I have to take area until that line, okay? So this here becomes my area alpha, okay? Now this blue shaded region is going to be the area that I need, right? Now you see that this is a symmetrical area. I'll just find out for any one side and then just twice it, okay? So I will just find out this area here and twice it to get the total alpha. This area I'll find out, okay, one side of that and then just twice it, okay? So again for that I'll need to find out this point where this point of intersection is. So the graphs are, this graph here is of x square plus 5 by 12 and this line here is 2 minus 8x, right? So if I solve the two functions, this is going to be x square plus 5 by 12 is equal to 2 minus 8x by 3. This is a quadratic, okay? When you solve this quadratic, you'll get two values. X is 1 by 2 and another value you'll get as minus 19 upon 6, okay? Minus 19 upon 6. When you solve this quadratic, these are the two roots of the quadratic. Okay. Now minus 19 by 6 is beyond this 3 by 4 and beyond this, right? So I have to ignore that. I have to reject that solution. That cannot be in our feasible region. So that means this point here is half. X is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So the area that I need is going to be alpha by 2. Alpha is the whole region that I need. Alpha by 2 I can write as integration of this region here. Okay. Below that green line, so that is the integral of x square plus 5 upon 12 dx from 0 until 1 by 2, and then after that the function is the black line here. Okay, that black line here. Okay, so for that I will write the graph is of 2 minus 8x by 3. The limits are from 1 by 2 to 3 by 4. Okay, so this is going to be alpha by 2, right? Let's evaluate the integral. So alpha by 2 is going to be, the integral here is going to be x cube by 3 plus 5x by 12, limit from 0 to half, plus 2x minus 8x squared by 6. The limits are from half to 3 by 4. Okay. So this will come out to be, when you simplify, so this will come out to be 1 by 3. That means alpha by 2 is 1 by 3. Hence alpha is 2 upon 3. This area here that I need, okay, the alpha is 2 by 3. I have to find the value of 9 alpha. 9 alpha is going to be 9 times 2 by 3. That is 6. Okay. So 6 becomes my answer for this question. Okay. Thank you.